Jesus, again? Alrighty. Here we go for round 2. This time... Okay, let's put that away. So we are jumping into Java and Swing for an hour. We're gonna use Swing to make a graphical user interface and Java as a backend for all the logic. We're gonna make a cookie clicker clone, hopefully in under an hour. All right, let's get to it. So first off, I'm gonna jump into my code here, go to Java. I have some apps, GUI swing test. Let's make a clicker game. Okay, let's jump into that. Let's close this. That was from my previous stream. Let's go into VS Code. Okay. File, new file. So the way I'm thinking about this is I'm gonna have a main script that handles the user interface, and then I'm gonna have all the backend stuff. Let's close this. File, new file, a new Java file. We're gonna let this be the main, but I need something else. Hold on, let me just go get it from the other file. So question was something that I made. I just am looking for this, the main function. Excuse me, main function. We're gonna call this clicker game. Okay. I will save it in my clicker app. Clicker game. Here we go. Clicker game dot Java. Now let's go back to question and bring in my libraries that I need. This. So here are my libraries, my Swing libraries. Let's go ahead and drop this. So I'll make some functions. How about this? I want to make. So what I'm thinking. Let's make a paint. So I want a window, and all I want is a main button to click, and then I want a button for units and a button for upgrades. So when you click on these, units will open up a list. So this is my units menu. Oh, it'll open up a menu there. And then this will make a... What is this song? Okay. Alright. Sorry. So this is a big old button. This is button 2. This is button 3. Button 4. Ay Dios. No, that's 1. Button 1. Okay. This is for button 2. It's a window. It'll be a list of stuff, and then you can buy on the side. So it's a list buy type thing. And then there's like a back button at the very bottom. And then over here, button 3 is my upgrades. It'll be a button and then description of the thing. Okay. Alright, and then a back button as well. Or a close button. Alright. Let's do it. Also, there will be a dialogue at the top for total, and then there will be a dialogue here for like clicks per second, something like that. Okay. let's generate main. We'll do a public, or no, private void generate main window. Like this. And then another thing. Private void generate generate units window. Private void generate units window. And then this is upgrades window, like that. Okay. All right. And then right here, we'll call generate main window. We'll call it once. Clicker game is going to extend JFrame and implement action listener. There you go. Okay. Static. Static. Okay, now I have to kind of look at all of this stuff. Second frame. A new question. Okay, hang on. So this is the constructor for this thing. We'll just call this clicker game. So when you bring the clicker game is the generate main window, so it's not like a functional call. We'll just say new clicker game. I don't have a string because I don't really care. The title of it is clicker game. I don't really want to pass through anything. Clicker game. All right. Inside of the public class, I will have a label, a B1 and a B2. That makes sense. No. J label 1 and label 2. This is total clicks and clicks per second. Right, okay. And then J button, I will have a B1, B2, and a B3. And this is click units and upgrades. Okay. So this is the main thing. Set the text to frame. L equals new J label. What was I making? It's so good. It's so funny. Okay. Anyways. Okay. Total clicks. This will have to change. And we'll just say 0 here for now. And then we'll add Okay. L1, L2 equals new J label. We make the items for this. L2 dot set text. I'll take this out. I don't want this constructor anymore. Okay. This is clicks per second, and then add L2, and then we say button for click me. This is units, and then B3 equals new J button, and we'll call this, damn, we'll call this upgrades. Action listeners, B3 dot add action listener for this. Okay. Interesting way to add stuff. B3. How do I take care of the action listeners for this? Second frame. Action performed. Oh, okay. It's in the action performed. And then I look at what button was pressed. Got it. What is second frame? How is this handled? Hang on, let me open up another file that had the actual stuff there. Swing test. No. Question. Clicker app. Source app. Is this it? This is just another clicker app that I made. Okay, let's open up another app. File. Wasn't this? Maybe it was the swing test. Go to source. Then go to app. Dude, this isn't even filled out. This is the clicker app. This is the swing test. Let's delete that and then open up main. Damn, where is it at? It's in my downloads? Oh, it is. It's here. Okay, I gotta save this then. Desktop code, Java. There's my online test, and then I open up one of these. There we go. Okay, so this is the online test constructor. This is the actions performed method. This is the set method. This is the check method. Okay, second frame was something that I came up with then. Okay, so then action performed took in the source. And since there were only two sources, okay, fine. Okay, so we're gonna take this, copy this. I have 3 actions. So these are all my action listeners. Resizable false. This is all fine. This should all be fine. But we're gonna add this action listener. And then we're gonna do a switch case for the variable. We should be able to do switch. And then do this var1 dot get source. J button, button. Shoot. Does that work? Okay, fuck it. If I'll just do 3 if statements. Fuck it. var1 dot get source. Source equals this dot b1. So that means that if I press the button number 1, it's gonna do this thing, and then else if source is equal to this dot b2. This is a click increment. What in the world? This is open. Hi, Robert. Open units menu, and then else if var1 dot get source equals this dot b3. And so this is the last button that you would press. This opens upgrade menu. Okay, so now all this other stuff, get action command equals game object bookmark. Don't care about that. If get action command dot equals an object bookmark, I see what it's doing. I don't really care. So this is gonna generate units window. So I should be able to just call it generate units window here. And then right here, I should be able to do generate upgrades window. Okay, so this sets up Okay, so in the clicker game too, I'm gonna have a bunch of integers and floats and stuff. So first of all, a float. Private float total clicks, click per click. Haha, okay. And then a private float click per click, and then private float clicks per second, which will be the ticking time. Okay, so technically I should be able to generate this. There's not anything here, but there's nothing stopping me from running this and just getting a window. L cannot be resolved. It had an error somewhere. Oh, here it is. Table 1. Okay. Is this what I think it is? Go ahead and run again. J label cannot be resolved to a type. This is on line what? 21? Weird. 68? So 68 tries to call the constructor, and then it calls back to line 21 and says L2 cannot be resolved. Is it because it was not added? Or did I make a syntax error? J label cannot be resolved to a type. Unresolved compilation errors. Syntax error. Insert blank to compile to complete statement. What did I mess up? This is for the class. This is my main. Robert is back. I'm gonna get you, Robert. Don't worry about it. L2. Add L1, add L2, set text L2. I mean, I should maybe I should do this. Redo this. L2. 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 And then just move it down a bit. Let's move it to 60. Holy moly. 60. Let's try that. Still. Show me this. Show me the error. It said it's missing. Here it is, I found it. Syntax error. J label cannot be resolved to a type. Okay, J label here was not capitalized. There we go. Click. Units. It's because I haven't set up for button 3 yet. So button 1 got added. Here's all my buttons. Okay, so this has to go above, so I'll do 100. I want to put this button 3 here, and then button 2 here, and then I want to put this 250 X. What is 250? 250 divided by 2? Actually, I mean, I can set it like that. Button 1, 125. Y goes up higher, so 150. That should do it. Run. Okay. Okay. I need to put it in the middle. It went left. How does that work? Hang on, let's run that again. Huh. Okay, how about this? Let's do this. Will that work? Hey, yo. Let's try this. This is payday. No wonder I didn't recognize this. See this right here? It's annoying. This is centered. Set size, width is 400, height is 300. So if I did 300, oh, huh? How does that work? How does that work? Wait a second, something's off. Something's really off here. This is button 1. Add B1. Okay, I need to choose a different layout, I think. What if I just delete this stuff? What is playing right now? Okay, let's try this instead. I think I'm misunderstanding what the set bounds does. Nope, it put them all right next to each other. What the hell? That's units and that's the click me button. Okay. Oopsie. Let's see if that works. Okay, yeah, that worked. Why did it take me so long to figure this out? I mean... Okay, run that. Alright, we're at 28 minutes, but that's the clicks, units, and upgrades. This right here is kind of messed up. I need a comma there. How about we take this off? And then we just do this. 150 over 100. Because if I do this, then it will just be over. Oh, hang on. What was it again? 60. 60 and 50. Okay. Let's do 50 here. And then 65 right here. See what that looks like. Let's run. Okay, total clicks, clicks per second, blah, 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 blah. Unit, 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 upgrade, upgrade, upgrade. Now, I should be doing this. Let's do a system out here. System.out.log. Oh no, it's a print line. We'll say generate units window, and then we'll do the same thing over here. Generate units window. We'll generate the upgrades window. Upgrades window. And oh, yeah, I guess we'll do like a click function. Static, private, void, click. Like that. Paste this here. Click. Just like this. Let's look for my... Here we go. Click function. Okay, cool. So now I should be able to run. Look at my terminal. If I click, I see I'm clicking. Units, generate units window. Upgrades, upgrade window. Easy. Okay. Okay, now, let's see, I need to move my, I need to get another chat going. Java Swing, okay. Have a button. When I click this button, I need a new window to pop up where I can, window to pop up. Only one instance of this window can exist. Okay. Okay, so first we're gonna make a new JFrame, and it's gonna be called the upgrade panel. And we're also gonna do the same thing for the other one: private, static, JFrame, units panel. The order of this should actually be the other way around. Okay, now I'll come here. I don't like any of this. I don't like this code, so I'm going to rewrite this. Yeah, I'm definitely going to rewrite all this. Oh, gross. This right here sucks. Main. Interesting. Oh, I know what to do. Okay, so... there's no pointers here. So I wanted to open a new window. So it's gonna make a new window. It made a main frame. I'll call this the units panel instead. secondary frame. Oh, I see. Okay, so this is actually, shoot, this is all my main stuff. So I delete that. I don't need this stuff because all I needed to do is do this. So we're gonna take this. And then rename it, rename symbol, control find, secondary frame, rename this to units panel. Replace them all, everything, units panel. So if units panel equals null and units panel is not visible, then we create a secondary window. Units panel equals new JFrame, units, and then dispose on close, which will delete it. Set the size, set the layout, give it a new J label. This is the units panel. Units panel. Set the bounds. Units panel add label. Units panel set visible. Otherwise bring it to the front. Ah, beautiful. I like it. Picasso. Then we just say units frame. Units panel is visible equals true. Actually, what is it trying to do at the end here? Set visible true, otherwise bring it to the front. So you made it, bring it to the front. I don't need this. I've already done this. I don't need this either. I don't need this. This goes here. This is my static generate window, units window. Okay, so that should do it. So now what happens is whenever I click on the units, it makes this panel. If I bring this to the front and then hit units, it brings this to the front. This is still my units panel. I can upgrade my units from there on this. Unit panel is good. Okay. The upgrades panel is going to be the exact same functionality. So it's going to be all this stuff again. So copy this. Actually, that's a good question. Why is this tabbed like this? Shift tab. There you go. It's better. So I should be able to do this. Paste this in. And then this will be called the upgrades. This is the upgrades panel. And then we run it again. We're at 4:09. Let's double check my time. Alright. It is 39, so I've got 20 minutes left. This is the upgrades panel. Generate the units panel. Ah, okay, sorry. My upgrades panel is referencing my other panel. So here we go. I need to change this stuff. Find in selection. So come down here. It's my click. Generate upgrades. So here's my generate upgrades. I gotta get out of here. Units panel. And I'm gonna change this to upgrade panel. upgrades panel. Okay. Here's my selection. Units, panel. Okay. Match case, match whole word. How does that work? Why is it doing that? What is this song? Enter the Gungeon? This fire. Oh, that's giving me an error. Oh, hang on. This is my units. This is my upgrades. This is my click. Generate upgrades. Let's look at this. Generate upgrades if the upgrades panel equals null and is not visible. Create a secondary window. Upgrades panel is equal to blank. Let's go here. Upgrades panel. There you go. There's my JFrame for my upgrades panel. Here's my JFrame for my units panel. So now I can upgrade them simultaneously. I can also click. Okay, beautiful. Now total clicks equals 0. Clicks per click starts off as 1. And then clicks per second equals 0 as well. So now I need... This is good music, man. I really hope I don't get demonetized for this. That would suck. Alright, 43 minutes. We're almost there. We're very close. I need the logic though. Okay. Alright, I need to start making the logic for this. Okay, so I need to make a units abstract and an upgrades abstract. Okay, so file, new Java file. I'll make a unit file. I think I'll just call this an abstract. I'll just call it a class for now. I'll fix this. I really want this to be I want it to be an abstract class. Let's just look it up really quick on how to make it an abstract. I gotta log back into chat. Okay, hang on. Alright. Java abstract class. Because I'm gonna have some functions in abstract class shape int color abstract function draw. Okay, abstract class. So then that means we just change this to abstract. Public abstract class. Okay, in my unit, the unit will have an int for private int quantity equals 0. private int float. Quantity float will be clicks per second. Okay. Int quantity clicks per second. And then I need functions. Quantity, this is the number of units, this is the clicks per second that the unit develops. And then an upgrade. I'll save this to unit. And then I'll make a new file. We'll call this one upgrade. And I'll call this will be an abstract as well. So the abstract will reference a unit. I'll need a public add unit, and all this does is quantity plus public set clicks. What is that? An E? Why is there an E? Clicks per second. Upgrade clicks per second. CPS. Upgrade CPS with a multiplier int. No, float m for multiplier. And this will be clicks per second equals. Actually, I can do blank m. That'll upgrade clicks per second. Okay, I need to make my getters and setters. So public get quantity. I think I can just do this, right? Oh shit. Public void. I forgot to do the return values. Public void, public int quantity, get quantity. I think I can do a lambda expression here. Quantity. Nope. Return quantity, like that. Just do that. Public int set. I don't need set quantity. That's what add unit is for. Oh, okay. Private float cost. I mean, each unit will have a cost, right? Cost. There's some sort of calculation here. It's like the cost, private float cost. It's like whenever you buy something and then it becomes more expensive, cost tax. I'll just call it cost tax, and it'll be equal to 5%. That's 50.5. Cost multiplied by 1/20 plus cost tax. And that'll give you the new cost. Like the cost will go up. I mean, we'll have to also, I mean, in the game, I'll have to have action listeners in here. That's okay. Alright. Let's save this. I'm actually thinking of two different things. I'm gonna have a unit. Is the unit class gonna... It'll contain how many of these I have. Okay, this will have a private unit reference, and then private float multiplier. Multiplayer? Haha. Multiplier. Is that right? And then also private float cost. Apply multiplier. So public void apply multiplier here. So then we take the unit reference and add unit upgrade CPS. Okay, it's gonna be upgrade CPS. Upgrade CPS, and I'm gonna just pass in the multiplier. That's it. So whenever I get the blah 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 and then the blah blah blah, I'm also gonna need to set the reference or the unit reference. So whenever I upgrade, I need to pass in a unit to reference. This unit ref is equal to the unit that I passed in. Unit. Okay. So whenever I pass in the unit, okay, so I make a new upgrade, I reference the unit, this unit reference goes to that unit, and then the unit reference, I can upgrade this by applying the multiplier. Now my unit here, add unit. Okay, this is private string name. I'll set this to default. Oh no, hang on. Let's go here and we'll do unit, and then when we pass in string name, it's just gonna do. Actually, how about this? We'll do string name and a float cost. And then from here, we can do this dot name. Oops, excuse me. Equals to name. And then this dot cost is equal to cost. So whenever we make a unit, we have to give it a name, we have to give it a cost. Okay, cool. I don't know if I don't think I have to do this as an abstract class. I think I can actually just do this as a class. Same thing for the upgrades. We just make upgrade objects. We don't have to make different classes of these things. Upgrade. Okay.
get quantity, return quantity, add units. And then in the clicker game, I need to make something to house the upgrades.
It's gonna be a JList.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I need to make a list. Let me go to my abstract or my swing tutorial. Need to make a list of units that units that will be shown on one of the windows. These units listed will be able to be bought with... Oh shit, I gotta explain this to him. Or maybe no, screw it, I don't need it. I already know what it is in my head, I just look it up.
Why? Why here?
What am I at, time-wise? I'm at 56, I have 4 minutes, and then that'll be it for this. So far, this is the logic that exists for this code. The UI is kind of done, so like I should be able to click here, units, upgrade panel. I don't want that to be resizable actually. Or no, it should be resizable, that's fine. Okay. Total clicks per second. How do I make it so that I can upgrade this? Oh, okay, hang on. Hold on. How do I update? Oh, hang on. How do I update? So I know on click, I want to upgrade. It'll be clicks or total clicks added by my click per click. That's what happens there. Total clicks is equal to... Cannot make a static reference to a non-static. What the heck? What does static even mean? I don't know what it means. What does the static keyword mean? In Java, static keyword is used to indicate the field, method, or inner class belongs to the class rather than to any specific instance of the class. Fine. Clicks per second equals blank. Total click equals blank. Total click equals blank. Total click. Total clicks equals blank. Can I let's rename this. Rename symbol. L1 is actually total clicks. Total clicks. And then label 2. Rename symbol. This is clicks per second. I messed up. Rename label. Total clicks label. There you go. Rename this to clicks per second label. There you go. Now come down here. Clicks per click. And then total clicks label dot set text String temp equals can't I just do it like this? I can. There. Why not? Cannot make a static reference to a non-static field total clicks label. So this should work. No? Why? Total clicks label is here. Cannot make a static reference. Oh, I know what I need to do. It's this. What the hell? Oh, it's this. That'll do it. Still no. Clicks per clicks. There you go. It wasn't doing jack. Hey! Ken, watch! Wait, watch me, watch me. Yeah, dude! Let's go! Hell yeah, baby! Look at my clicks! It's Cuphead. Alright, we're at an hour. That's it. Alright, so I got my shit working. Clicker game. Alright, I made the clicker game, boys. Alright. That's some Java development for today. I will be moving on to something else. I will be back on Monday at 4 o'clock to do some more game development. We're going to continue with our Gloom game. And then to do more of this, because I'm not going to ignore this. This is my units panel. This is my upgrades panel. Beautiful. All right. It's an hour and 4 minutes. We are set to go, guys. I'll have to make... there's some other stuff that I want to do with this. I want to make it so that it saves, so that when you close it, it still remembers all of your units, all of your upgrades, and then all of the clicks that you've done. Other than that, that should be it for today. I'll see you guys on Monday. I hope you guys are having a great weekend so far. I will be catching you on the next one. All right, guys. Have a good one. Bye.